Welcome. Today, let's explore how to use Google Chrome's Reader Mode on your mobile device, updated for 2025. If you love reading articles online but get distracted by ads, pop-ups, or cluttered layouts, Reader Mode is your new best friend. It transforms busy web pages into clean, easy-to-read articles, helping you focus on what matters most, the content. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Navigate to the web page you want to read. This could be a news article, a blog post, or any site where you want a distraction-free reading experience. Next, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. Tap on these dots to open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, find and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility settings, you'll see an option labeled Simplified View. This is the key to activating Reader Mode. Turn on the toggle for Simplified View. Now, whenever you visit a compatible web page, Chrome will prompt you with a banner at the bottom of the screen, asking if you want to view the page in a simplified format. Tap the prompt, and the page will instantly transform into a clean, reader-friendly layout. Reader Mode strips away unnecessary elements like ads, sidebars, and pop-ups, leaving just the main text and essential images. This not only makes reading easier on the eyes, but also helps you stay focused on the story or information you care about. It's especially useful for long articles or when you're reading in low-light conditions. If you want to customize your reading experience, some versions of Reader Mode allow you to adjust font size or background color, making it even more comfortable for your eyes. That's it, just a few quick steps, and you're ready to enjoy a cleaner, more focused reading experience on Chrome. Give it a try the next time you're browsing, and see how much easier it is to enjoy your favorite content distraction-free. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.